Good morning, students. I hope that you all have read this chapter and you have understood also. Children, today we will do warm-up exercise of chapter number 4. So please take out your English course book and take out page number 44. In this warm-up exercise, some names of places are given and some transports are given, as you can see in this picture. You have to look at the names of places and pictures of vehicles and match the places to the vehicle that you will take to go there. Now, this is a school bus. This is an aeroplane. This is a bicycle. This is a ship. And this is a train. Now read the names of places. Andaman, Shimla, Market, London and school. Now children, please tell me, if you want to go to Andaman, which transport you will use? Bus, aeroplane, ship, bicycle or train? Yes, you will use ship. Ship is a water transport. Now read the second one. Second is Shimla. If you want to go to Shimla, which transport you will use? Bus, aeroplane, bicycle or train? Yes, you will use train. Now the third one. Third one is market. If you want to go to market, which transport you will use? Of course you will use a bicycle. Now the fourth one is London. If you want to go to London, which transport you will use? Bus or aeroplane? Yes, obviously you will use aeroplane because it is a air transport. Now the last one is school. Which transport you use to go to school? I think all must be knowing this. Yes, you will use school bus. Now children, today we will read this chapter and take out page number 45. I will read for you and you have to repeat after me. I am Aman. I have a red bicycle. Children, underline the word bicycle. My Abu gave it to me on my 7th birthday last year. So you have to underline the word birthday. My bicycle is a second-hand one. Its seat's cover is slightly torn, but I love my bicycle. Now children, here Aman is a speaker. Aman is having a red bicycle which was gifted to him on his 7th birthday by his father. His bicycle is a second-hand one. Second-hand one means it is already being used by some other person and Aman's father has purchased from that person and gifted him. Its seat cover is slightly torn. As you can see in the picture also, the bicycle seat cover is slightly torn. But Aman loves his bicycle very much. Now the next paragraph. Abu told me, you must take care of your bicycle. Now what Abu is instructing Aman? That you should take care of your bicycle. And you should clean also. So Aman said, I clean my bicycle every day. Children, underline this word every day. Abu is my father. Now Aman is saying, Abu is my father. He has a green scooter. You can see in the picture also, Abu is having green scooter. Abu is Aman's father. He goes to office on his scooter. Now Abu goes to office on his scooter. Now children, come to next paragraph. I have a tractor. children, you have to write these difficult words in your notebook. I have already uploaded one document, so you can see and you can write in your copy. Now children, we will read page number 46. Again I will read for you and you have to repeat after me. And please put your finger where I am reading it. Okay? So let's start. My paternal uncle Salim is an engine driver. His train is blue and white and runs on rails. Children, please underline paternal, Salim, driver and rails. Now children, here Aman is saying that he is having a paternal uncle also and his name is Salim. So what do you mean by paternal uncle? Paternal uncle means father's brother. I think that you all must be having paternal uncle. Now Salim is an engine driver, means he works in railways. His train is blue and white and runs on rails. Children, as you can see in the picture also, the color of the train is blue and white. And you all must be knowing that the train runs on rails. Understood children? Now come to the next paragraph. My maternal aunt's name is Seema. She and her children live in Mumbai. It is a big city. They come to visit us in a car. Their car is fast. All the village children come to see the car. Now, children, underline maternal, children, Mumbai, village. Now here Aman is saying that he is having maternal aunt and her name is Seema. Children, what do you mean by maternal aunt? Maternal aunt means mother's sister. Now she lives in Mumbai and you all know that Mumbai is a very big city, isn't it? And she used to live in Mumbai and with her children. Whenever she come to visit village, she used to come by a car. And when she comes, all the village children come to see that car. You can see the picture of the car there. So children, I hope that you have understood this chapter very well. Now today's home assignment is you have to write the difficult words and antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words in your course book copy. I have already uploaded in document, so you can please check from there and you have to write that in your English course book copy in a good handwriting. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.